little is known of Brown v. Board of Education outside the United States. In a nutshell, the challenge was against a segregation policy that forced black and white children to be educated separately. In the case of Oliver Brown, his daughter Linda was denied entry to, and therefore, could not attend a nearer all-white elementary school. In consequence, Linda was required to take a bus to an all-black school much further away. Notably, the Brown family's chief counsel was Mr. Thurgood Marshall, who went on to become the first African American to serve as a U.S. Supreme Court justice. On 17 May 1954, the U.S. Supreme Court ruled, amongst other things, in a unanimous judgment, 9-0, delivered by Mr. Chief Justice Earl Warren, we conclude that, in the field of public education, the doctrine of separate but equal has no place. Separate educational facilities are inherently unequal. Therefore, we hold that the plaintiffs and others, similarly situated for whom the actions have been brought, are, by reason of the segregation complained of, deprived of the equal protection of the laws guaranteed by the 14th Amendment. The Chief Justice went on to say, "Today, education is perhaps the most important function of state and local governments. Compulsory school attendance laws and the great expenditures for education both demonstrate our recognition of the importance of education to our democratic society. It is required in the performance of our most basic public responsibilities, even service in the armed forces. It is the very foundation of good citizenship. Today, it is a principal instrument in awakening the child to cultural values, in preparing them for later professional training, and in helping them to adjust normally to his environment. In these days, it is doubtful that any child may reasonably be expected to succeed in life if they are denied the opportunity of an education. Such an opportunity, where the state has undertaken to provide it, is a right which must be made available to all on equal terms. This landmark case reshaped global perspectives on educational equality. Its ruling against racial segregation inspired movements worldwide, highlighting the universal struggle for justice. Countries began reevaluating their own discriminatory practices, recognizing that education must be inclusive, fostering equality and opportunity for all.